Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika, the channel where we talk about the financing, personal financing, business financing, NFTs, crypto, stock market, everything about the investing money, making money, saving money, and keeping money. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about some amazing money hacks that you can incorporate in your daily schedule, which can help you save more money. Let's get started with that. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video in future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'll gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, if you're a creative person, an artist, a designer looking forward to make money online, then I have other channel where I talk a lot about making money online as a creative person. The link is in description box below. You can very well grab the finance planner workbook that will going to help you plan your money, save your money, keep your money in a good shape. It contains everything that you need to manage your money. The link is in description box below. It's a PDF download which you can very well grab it. It's entirely based on my experience and knowledge, so hopefully it will going to help you. The links are in description box below. Without further ado, let's talk about the money hacks. Now there are so many money hacks and so many money blogs, money tutorials, some of the tweaks that you can do in a daily schedule that can help you save more money and that can help you actually get the more money which you are expecting. I'm going to be sharing some tips with you or some of the money hacks in this video. So without further ado, let's talk about that. The first money hack that I usually do most of the time is reusing my own clothes or try to convert them into something which I can very well reuse that. Now, obviously, you don't need to be a designer or a dress designer to do that. If you are just a normal person, you can as well do that. You don't need to be a creative person to do that. Look at your closet and see what are the clothings that you don't wear or you don't want to wear them. Just don't throw them like that only. Maybe reuse them as a rough cloth for cleaning purposes. Because if you are having like clothes that are quite soft you can very well use them to clean your screens, like the mobile screens, laptop screens, or different screens. Or you can very well convert that cloth into something beautiful, DIYing them. You can watch the different YouTube videos related to that and you can convert them into something amazing. I do most of the often times. If I see one of my dress which I don't like, maybe I cut their sleeves to convert it into something different, or maybe I keep it short or cut them or give it a different shape or add a different fabric or color and make it into something else. So this one could be a great idea because we often want to purchase the new clothing and we are looking forward for getting a new closet and looking more amazing in our own dress. So why not save more money and convert them into something amazing? Second tip I have for you is going more online. Like I'm actually talking about using a discount gift cards or discount coupons for purchasing the stuffs. Like if you're purchasing online, whether from the Amazon or the different websites, you can use a different discount coupons. They are giving a lot of the discounts. So I would highly recommend you to purchase more online. Of course, you need to do a little bit of the research to find which one is the best option for you. But I think that if you are purchasing online, then you're saving more money in comparison to the offline, like saving more money. Even if I'm booking a flight, or even I'm booking a train or a bus or any transportation, I go and purchase the ticket in the online rather than going in the offline, because firstly you don't have to wait there for a long lines when you are booking a ticket, and also you are saving money in the online. And you can book in advance, especially talking about the flights. You can book in the advance and you can save a lot of the money. Third tip I have for you is actually going for recycling of the materials. Now, this one could be a great option. There are so many things that you use in your household schedule, whether you're using in the kitchen or your routine schedule, your skincare products, hair care products. Some of the bottles, maybe they are containing the plastics, and some of these plastics are actually being recycled or reused in the factories, in the manufacturing unit. Now you need to contact your local unit in this particular situation in your area, which will going to help you recycle that particular product. You can very well do your research in your local area and find it out, because in this way you are reducing the environmental waste as well. You're becoming more eco-friendly, and maybe these local units can pay you some money for selling that particular item from your home or for recycling purposes. For example, if you are having an old newspapers or old cartoons or old metal tin items, there are different pickers are there in the market in the local area, which actually pick up the newspapers, the old newspapers and the old tin containers, the metal containers, the glass containers, and they pick up them and recycle them. So they are looking for buying these products from the people. So you can resell these old newspapers, you can resell these old magazines that you no longer need them to these people, and you can make more money becoming more eco-friendly and giving your hand in recycling zone. So that could be a great option. Another tip I have for you is actually DIYing the things. Now this one is the DIY that I made. This is an eye mask. Now I'm not telling you to DIY every single item, but if you want to purchase a small items like the mask, the eye mask, or some other like thing, you can simply DIY them. Now you don't need to be a sewing artist or embroidery artist or stitching artist to do that. You just need a simple sewing needle and the thread and you're good to go. Like personally, I am not good at the stitching, okay, but still I made this mask. I just watched a YouTube tutorial on how to make the eye mask, and then I made this mask. I reused the old cloth, the old elastic, and then I stitched them and converted into something really beautiful. This is an amazing way to save more money, being more creative, and also utilizing your time in a much more effective way. And when you're creative, you're gonna feel more energetic, you're gonna feel more amazing because you have made something unique. You're saving money and you're feeling grateful. So that's interesting and amazing, isn't it? If you are an artist or creative person like me, or even if you're not an artist and you are looking for home decoration for decorating your home, try to reuse the old stuffs that you have your home. This is one of the example that I did few days back only. This is a coconut shelf, right? This is a coconut shelf I literally painted out by myself using the colors, and now this can be used as a home decoration purpose, or I just kept it on my table for the decoration or hang on the wall. I can just put a hole inside it and hang on the wall, and this could work amazingly. I mean, anyone can paint this. It's not a big deal. You can see them and do it yourself. That's pretty amazing. So you can have the home decor item made from your old scrap materials. That could be organic ones like the coconut shelf is the eco-friendly, or that could not be really eco-friendly like an old plastic container. You can color them, convert them into a pen stand or pen holder, and then you can decorate your home and you can reuse these items. Another tip I have for you, if you're purchasing in the offline space, going to the supermarket or the different malls and purchasing your grocery or purchasing any other item, you have a receipt, you have a bill, right? And there are some different applications, mobile applications or software, different companies who are actually paying you money for taking a picture of your receipt and bill and sending it to them as a feedback or as some kind of like a user experience, because these companies are looking forward to collect a feedback from the customer who are purchasing from their shops, and also taking care of what are the different household people are purchasing in the market. Like there are so many surveys the people do regarding a household, how many people and what are the different products they are purchasing in the online space. So you could use these old receipts, take a picture of them, maybe scan them and send it to these companies as for the surveys, as for feedback, and you can make more money because they are paying the money for that. And also some of the companies are offering the discounts and coupons on the base of the receipt that you're purchasing from their shop. If they see that if you have purchased something from their shop in the past, and they may give you some discount when you're purchasing the another time or the next time. That could also be the great. Now you have to do a little bit more research to find out what it look like, but that could be a great idea to save more money. Another hack I have for you, this may be a little bit more related to the females, their skincare and hair care routine. Try to switch it towards more natural instead of using chemicals. Firstly, if you're using the chemicals, they could be harmful for your skin, and also you need to pay a lot of the money to these beauty companies for buying their products, for using your skincare and hair care products. Instead, you can switch to more to the natural products. You can use the aloe vera stuffs or the different herbs that are available in the market. You can very well mix them, create a face pack, create a hair mask, and you can keep on your face, your hair, on the hairs, and you can have a beautiful, amazing hair and skin. Also saving a lot of the money, keeping your skin from getting exploited by using those chemicals. So that's also a great way. Of course, you need to do a little bit more research, what kind of natural product suits your skin and hairs and what can make you look more beautiful and interesting and amazing. So you have to do that. I think that it can be applicable to male as well, to guys as well, because they also want their hairs to look beautiful and also their face. So you can very well do that. The last tip that I want to share is using your credit card for paying or for buying anything in the online space. Now I know that credit card could be risky and can get you in debt. But I want to tell you, if you're using your credit card in a good shape, you can help increase your credit score, and also you can get a lot of the discounts or offers and coupon codes by using the credit card, like the online shopping centers or online shopping websites, and the different companies are giving so much discount on the different credit card because they are telling you to utilize your credit card for purchasing from their shop or something like that. Now obviously you need to be very well aware of that you're not going into credit card debt by paying something which you don't really want. At the end of the day, you really need to use the credit card only for the things that you really want to buy for your day-to-day schedule. If you don't need them, just scratch that stuff out of your shopping list, don't purchase that. But if you really want to purchase something which is essential, then very well go with the credit card. You are expecting to get more discounts, more offers, because credit card do have a lot of the offers. And if you can switch to the EMI option, like if you're purchasing something big, maybe a car or maybe in any other electronic items or something like that, you can switch to the EMI option. Is actually helping you paying in small amounts every single month, or you can go into the pay later option that many companies are offering. That the pay later option, you can do that, but please take into account that you're only buying the things which you really need. You're not buying anything just for the sake of buying. Hopefully these money hacks will going to help you save more money. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more such videos? Please let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'll gonna see you in the next video with a new amazing content. Till then, take care. Bye guys.